In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice template in Odoo. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can confidently adjust the look and feel of your invoices to match your branding and business needs. First, start by logging into your Odoo account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the settings option, usually found in the main menu. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where most of your system-wide configuration lives, including the layout of your business documents. Inside the settings page, scroll until you find the section related to companies. Within this area, you'll see an option called Document Layout. Under that, there will be a button labeled Configure Document Layout. Click that button and a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is where you'll make all your changes to the invoice template and immediately see how they affect the design. In this configuration pop-up, you can adjust a wide range of elements. You can change the overall layout style, including how tables are displayed on the invoice and how information is structured. You can edit text elements, such as taglines or standard messages, to better reflect your company's tone. You will also be able to upload or change your company logo and customize colors to match your brand palette. Take a moment to make sure the colors and logo are consistent with the rest of your materials, so your invoices look professional and cohesive. Next, check your company details. You can update the address, tax ID, bank account information, and any other details that appear on the document. Make sure this information is accurate, because it's what your customers will use for payments and official records. You can also add or edit the footer text to include things like payment terms, contact details, or a short thank you note. There's also an option to enable a QR code on your invoice. If you choose to turn this on, it can make it easier for customers to access payment or invoice information quickly. As you make changes, keep your eye on the preview panel on the right side of the pop-up. This live preview shows you exactly how your invoice will look with the current settings, so you can tweak and refine until you're happy with the design. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustments, click the Continue button at the bottom of the pop-up. The pop-up will close, bringing you back to the settings page. To finalize everything, don't forget to click Save at the top left of the screen. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your new invoice layout won't be applied. After saving, your updated template will be used for your future invoices in Odoo.